this video, we are going to tell you how to recognize your baby as male or female. This is a female buggy. The light grey is a male buggy and the grey is a female buggy. We could know it by looking at the top of the nose. Olive is a female and dark blue is a male. Baby female buggies have blue cere. Cere means structure located at the top of their nose. This is a male buggy. This is a female buggy. If you look careful, you will see a white cere in male buggies. This is a male buggy. Do you know Mr. Bean and Funny Buddy are male buggies? See more videos from Cookie the Buggy.